Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time, I warmly welcome you here. Thank you so much for joining me today as I make garden egg abomu or garden egg stew. We're going to start off by washing our garden egg water to wait to boil it. While that's going on, I'm going to also go ahead and add in my tomatoes, my onion and some pepper because I don't want it to overcook, and that's what I'm adding at this time of it. Now I'm going to wash my protein that I'll be using and season it with some ginger and garlic powder as well as salt. Put some fire, and then I'll go and check on my garden egg or my vegetable, which was quite soft, and so I'm going to just grind them into a very rough texture. Now I'll heat up some salted fermented fish and I'm going to grind it into the vegetables. I kind of want the flavor in there, that's why I'm going to grind it instead of frying it in my oil. Next up, you're going to check on the garden egg, which was ready, so I'm going to strain out the water from it and also go ahead and grind it together in my vegetables. Now there's no need to take off the skin or the seed because it's quite nutritious, and if you don't have garden egg, you can as well use eggplant. Okay, next up, I'm going to heat up some oil and then also fry in my salted tilapia in it. In the background, I went ahead to peel off my yam that I'll be using to eat the abomu or the garden egg abomu. Wash it and then put it on fire, adding in some egg. Okay, it's not compulsory to add the egg if you're not going to use it. Just remember to add in some salt and cover it up to boil. To finish up the sauce, in the same oil that I fried my tilapia in or my salted tilapia in, I'll add in some onion and as well as some seasoning cube. After stirring it for some few minutes, I'll go ahead and add in my Wele. Now I'll leave this thing to stir for some few minutes, and I'll add in my smoked mackerel as well. Leave this to fry for just about 5 minutes or 2 minutes, and then we are done. I'm just going to take all of the protein into the garden egg that I have here and add in the oil. And I think of late, I rather prefer seasoning cube over salt, so I tried to make seasoning cube quite like my main source of salt. And so after doing all of this, I didn't need salt, and that was it. I went ahead to add in my salted tilapia, my yam and my eggs, and that was it. Our food is ready. I promise you this meal is very healthy, very delicious, and you're not going to regret trying this recipe. So guys, as our food is ready, I hope you are already enjoying it, and are you going to try this? I hope you will love it. Please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and also comment below if you are going to try it. Thank you so much, and I wish you guys all the best and hope to meet you in my next video. But until then, bye, stay safe, and I love you all. Bye.